Hello everyone, my name is Kumar, roll number 2201 CS60, and today I'll be walking you through my implementation of assignment 8, where we were tasked with building a distributed authentication system using JSON's web token. I have built this API using Python and Flask. So let's dive into how it works. The goal of this project is to implement secure role-based access control in our app.py file. Like we have mock users database where my primary users Sahil2201 CS60 is configured with an editor role. When a user like when a user authenticates via the API.auth.logic endpoint, their server verify their credential and generate two JWTs using PyJWT library, an access token which is like short-lived and configured to expire in exactly 15 minutes, a refresh token which is long-lived and expired in 7 days. Now let's see the token. Now to securely protect our API inputs, I wrote a custom decorator called token required, and this function intercepts incoming HTTP request, decodes the barrier token using our secret key, and perform multiple layers of validation. It checks if the token has expired, checks if it has been blacklisted, which handles our logout functionality, and most importantly, it checks the custom role claim inside the payload to ensure the user actually has permission to access the specific endpoint. Now let's see the applications, how it's working. Let's run the code. First, I need to go to the assignment 8 folder. Now run the app.py. Now let's see, like I will start a Flask over here in port 5000, sorry, and with the server is running, I have prepared a test.py script to simulate a client interacting with our API endpoint, and let's run the test.py in the API in the other terminal. First I need to go to the assignment, sorry. Now run the test.py. Now here you can see, like first script sends a logic request, and we get a 200 OK status, and our access and refresh tokens are beautifully logged to the screen. Our user detail confirm our editor role. Here is the role editor. Next we'll try to access the protected or student get point because editor are permitted here. The server successfully returned our mock data base containing my roll number. However, where we when we try to hit the admin user input, the server immediately kick back a 401 forbidden error because our role is editor, not admin. Here you can see this perfectly demonstrates the role-based access control logic. Moving on, we pass our refresh token to the server and it seamlessly generate a brand new access token for us. Finally, we test our logout endpoint. The server adds our current token to a blacklist, meaning it has been fully revoked. When the script try to access the student endpoint one last time, the server securely block it with a 401 at unauthorized error. That's here, and thank you for this